When we talk to someone or argue, we use two tenses. Let's take a look at them. For example, have you seen this? It arrived this morning. You already know these tenses. So the first block, it's present perfect. Yeah. And this, yeah, past simple. Okay. But how do we understand? Here we use this tense, here another tense. Let's figure it out. Okay, so what does the man do by saying this sentence? Have you seen this? Okay, does he ask about details or does he start a dialogue? Yeah, he starts a dialogue. So we use the present perfect to start a dialogue. Great. Okay. What about this one, the second one? Do we know exactly when it happened? Do we say exact moment when it happened? Not really. But did it happen in the past? Yeah. Does it have a present result? Yes, we see the shoes. Yeah, we see the present results. So, to speak about actions which happened in the past with the present result. Okay, and this one, we haven't paid the electricity bill yet. So do we know when it happened? Not really. We don't know, or we don't say when it happened. Okay, and for these activities, we use the present perfect. Also, we use it not only to start a dialogue, but to talk about experience. For example, have you been to the USA? Have you ever read this book? Yeah, this is all experience. Let's take a look at other time markers. For example, here we have just, yet. So in positive sentences, we will use just, but what does it mean? I've just bought them. Does it mean a long time ago or a short time ago? Here it means a short time ago. What about another word which we use in the positive sentence? We don't have it here, but we do use it. It is already. I have already bought them. The same meaning or different? Yes, the meaning is different. It means earlier than you planned. And in negative sentences and questions, we will use yet, which means a short time ago. Also, as we talk about our experience, we can use never and ever, recently, lately, and also for and since. For we will use with the period of time, and since with the date. For example, I've been here for 2 hours. I've lived in St. Petersburg since 2010. Okay, what about past simple? Let's talk about it. It arrived this morning. Do we know when it happened? Absolutely. We know when it happened. And we say it, yeah? For example, this morning, it means it was in the past and now it's afternoon. last year, 2 days ago, in 2020, and so on. And what about the iPad you bought last week? By the way, it's a question. And why does she ask this question? Yeah, to learn more about details and to continue the dialogue. To learn more about details and continue the dialogue, which we started using the present perfect. Okay, let's take a look at the time markers. So, for example, last Monday, a year ago, in 2020, yeah, also yesterday, and so on. The formulas. So what is the formula of the past simple, let's say, positive sentence? It is subject, verb ed, or second form. Negative sentence will be subject, didn't, and infinitive. But what if we have object? We will use wasn't and weren't. Questions. Did, subject plus infinitive. If we have object, we will use was or were. Okay, and the formula for the present perfect. Subject, have or has, verb ed, or third form. Yeah, here we have the second form, here we use the third form. It was a positive sentence, negative sentence, subject, haven't or hasn't, and again verb ed or third form. If we have a question, we will put have or has on the first place, verb ed or third form. Okay, thank you very much.